Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about dropshipping and ClickFunnels, how to make your first $100 online. If this is your first time to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money through e-commerce. I do a lot of product reviews just to let you know which products are legitimate and which ones are not as far as you making money online. If those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos, which right now is on a daily basis. So let's go ahead and get into this. I'm super excited to share with you this business model that absolutely works. Dropshipping and ClickFunnels, how to make your first $100 online. So why does dropshipping and ClickFunnels work so well compared to the other e-commerce business models, which I have done? I've done dropshipping on Amazon, on eBay. There's a lot of competition with Shopify. There is a huge learning curve and a lot of people fail with Shopify. First of all, low budget. You only need one product because you're going to be driving people to your sales funnel. You find products that are already selling and you create a compelling offer so customers will choose you over the competitors. Great example of this is Russell Brunson. He said at one time he was selling some vitamins and he was selling them for $67 a bottle, as opposed to people who were selling them on Amazon for $19, and he was just killing it. He was selling so many vitamins because he was able to create a compelling offer around those vitamins, the things that he added to it. So that's super important. Why does it work so well? Well, first of all, you collect an email address up front so you can follow up with your customer later. Now, when you drop ship on Amazon and eBay, you don't do that. Somebody comes to your offer, they don't like it, they find something else. You never capture that email address and you're never able to follow up with that customer again. Second, you can sell quantity discounts. Also, you can, these sales funnels convert so much better than a Shopify store because on every page it is a yes, no question. I spelled that wrong. These yes/no questions are amazing because they convert at 10 to 15%. And some people have reported that there's a 70% conversion rate and on their sales, on those offers. So building your email list, again, is you're going to build your audience so that you be able to follow up with them later. That is huge because you can offer other things to them down the road that are related to this offer that they're buying right now. On the confirmation page, you can point to a different affiliate offer or other funnels or a Shopify store with a coupon. So I'm going to show you an example of this in ClickFunnels. So we're going to go to, first of all, the first page is going to be your squeeze page right here. So this is just an example. You're going to collect their email address on the very first page, okay? And you're going to be selling something for free with shipping. Okay, then the second page is going to be your order form here. Oops. And you can see what the order form looks like. And at the bottom here, you can add something in. So maybe you want to add something that's related to that. It's a one-time offer, and they can just click yes or leave it blank. And then again, at the bottom, you can have, they can link to other offers. And then the next page is going to be your one-time offer page right here. So you can add more of the same product and give it at 50% off. And I know that you've seen these kind of pages before. It's like you get one for for free, but then, oh my gosh, you can get it for this great deal. You can get so much many more of them. So that's what we're doing on this page right here. And then you've got a second and a third one-time offer. So you have a downsell and you get 50%, 7% off. This is just an example. So it's either yes, they want it, or no, they don't. So it's just really, really easy for them to go through the sales funnel. And then you got another one-time offer right here, 50% off. And then the last one is going to be your confirmation page. That actually is where you offer 20% off the entire store or something like that, or they see another offer at the end. Okay, so that is your order confirmation page. It's just an example. But where, you're probably asking, like, where do I find these items to sell that are going to sell really well? Well, there's a couple places, Amazon and also AliExpress. I'm just going to show you on Amazon. You're going to find best sellers that are already selling on Amazon. Okay, and you're going to look for low ranks. So if we go to Amazon, just an example, maybe you're going to type in fishing, and Amazon best sellers are going to come up here. We could just click on, let's just click on this one right here. And you can tell how well something's selling if you scroll down to the rank down here. So you can see this one here is 2,079. So the lower the number is, the better it sells. So it's number 3 in sports and outdoors. Okay, so that's where you can find your products, and you look for low ticket products to offer plus free shipping, because it's an impulse buy, because people say, oh my gosh, this looks great, I'm going to get this. And you can scroll down to see what's frequently bought together to fill up your sales funnel. So Amazon's really good about that, showing what things are bought with this item, so you can see frequently bought together. You can add these type of things into your sales funnel. Again, you want to create an irresistible offer that you make your customers choose you over your competitors. Again, the example of Russell Brunson, I mean, that's $67 as opposed to $19, but he was selling so many more than his competitors on Amazon. So again, you can source your product from Amazon or AliExpress. You can offer an order bump of expedited shipping or a warranty. That's just an example of what you may do. And what sets you apart from your competitor is your offer. So you can add things that will increase your conversions, like information products. I think that's what Russell Brunson did. So he was selling vitamins, so he was probably adding some informational product, like maybe on how to lose weight or something related to that. So 2 are good, 1 for beginner and 1 for advanced. So you probably want to know, like, where do you get those information products? You can find, you can use Ezon articles for inspiration. Obviously you don't want to copy that, but as far as their headlines, like which ones are compelling, to give you an idea of a title for your information product, but you don't actually have to do it yourself. You can go to Fiverr.com and have them create that for you, like a PDF. But a rule of thumb is to give more value than you're taking in payment. Because you know those offers that you've seen on TV and you're just like, I can't believe that they're giving all this for this amount, I have to get it. Okay, so for the upsells, you want to sell more of the same thing. So basically your profit margin is going to be greater because you're only paying shipping on that the one time from your competitor, and that, or not from your competitor, from your source. And this is how you're going to become profitable, is by selling more of the same thing. Okay, so the last thing we're going to go over is how to get traffic to your funnel. I'm actually not going to go over this in detail, but there's 2 ways. It's through influencers and through Facebook. And what I'm going to invite you to do is, I just kind of gave you a general overview of the Dropshipping and Clickfunnels business model, and I'm telling you, this works like crazy. Like, people sell for, I mean, they quadruple their sales by using this sales tactic, and it's not something that you need to figure out on your own. I want to show you a free e-commerce class that you can go to. Peter Prue has absolutely perfected this business model, and his students are very, very successful. This is totally free. You're going to get a ton of value from this. What you're going to learn is how to find and sell products that you can get for free that bring in $10,000 or more a month in sales. That is huge, because a lot of people totally fail with Shopify. They don't know what kind of products to sell. So you're going to find products that are already selling, and you're going to learn how to plug and play your products into your proven six-figure sales funnel that will quadruple your sales from every customer and have them buying month after month on autopilot, and how to instantly drive a flood of targeted traffic to your sales funnel within 30 minutes of launching. So he's going to show you exactly how to do that on this free e-commerce webinar. And I encourage you, if you do want to learn how to sell drop shipping and use ClickFunnels, which again is a very, very well proven business model, then go ahead and click on the link below this video. That's going to give you a link to register for this free e-commerce class. If you want to do that, go ahead and do that right now. With that being said, I hope you guys got some value from Dropshipping and ClickFunnels. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And again, go ahead and register for that below. It's totally free. With that being said, this is Karen Merrill signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.